Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I'll show you how to log in old Gmail ID on new mobile. So, if you just got a new phone and want to access your old Gmail account, here's exactly what you need to do. First, you can log in either through the Google app or directly through the Gmail app. I'll be showing you how to do it using Google since it's more convenient. Once you open the Google app, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now, you'll see a small downward-facing arrow. Click on it, and then tap on Add Another Account. Next, you'll see a screen asking for your email or phone number. Enter the email or phone number of the Gmail account you want to log into. Then, tap on Next. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in your password and tap Next. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Tap on Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset it. Once you've entered the correct password, tap Next, and that's it. You're now logged into your old Gmail ID on your new mobile phone. And that's how simple it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.